Create music with artificial intelligence. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this video, talking once again about artificial intelligence, I'm going to show you a great website for you to create your music without copyright, just with artificial intelligence. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make several tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, there are already other artificial intelligence videos. If you have doubts between the subjects, I'll leave a playlist with other videos on the card. In this video, I show you how to create music quickly, only with artificial intelligence. Guys, this is the site, strove.com. With it, you can make your own songs in seconds. So as soon as you enter the site, you can click here on Get Started to start. Then it's going to select the mood of your song, of your track. So here there's sad, there's happiness, there's witty. Then you're going to choose the type of music you want to create. I'm going to put it here in rap, and I'm going to put it on high, meaning it's going to do everything for me. Just click Create. It's already creating my artificial intelligence music. Just wait. It's loading the track. Just wait. It's here. In less than a minute, it created my music. By pressing play, I can listen to the created song. Here, you can also customize your music by putting other options. For example, here's acoustic guitar. You can take the sound from the acoustic guitar, bass sound, drum sound. So you set up the music according to what you want. Leo, it's great. It's what I want. It's this song I want. All you have to do is scroll down a little bit to download the song. Then you need to quickly register. So I'm going to click here on Sign Up, and I'm going to quickly sign up using my Google account. Then just choose the account to register. That's it. I'm going to put it here on Got It. I'm going to click Close. Now I can click Download. By clicking on Download, you can choose the type of plan you want. There's the free plan, the annual plan. There's also the annual Pro plan, which costs $8 a month. There's also a $3 a month plan, and of course the free plan. Then you'll choose your type of plan according to your needs. You can click here on Library to see all your creations. Over here on the side, you can bookmark something by clicking on the three dots, then clicking on Download. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm signing off for now. Big hug, stay with God. Thanks.